Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm actually so excited I can't even put it into words, but I'm so excited to see where this goes, and I just can't wait to make videos for you guys. So, is that fine? Today we're going to actually go to the gym, and we are then going to go to South Bank, and we're going to go to this pancake place, and I'm really excited for it. And so we're going to go to the gym right now, and I'm going to do a push day today, and hopefully I can get all the exercises in for you guys and show you all the sets and the reps and all of that good stuff. So let's go.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame.
Say that again.
No! Stop!
This
Jarryd.
is the real song embodied by Jarryd.
Okay guys, so we just pulled up to the gym and we're about to go in. We've finished our pre-workouts. So today I'm doing push. I'm going to try and go as heavy as possible with my bench press and my shoulder presses. Right now my goal is kind of just to get as strong as possible whilst in a slight deficit. I did lose 10 kilos in about a year and a bit with my previous PT in the lead up to a photo shoot. So right now I'm actually at the lowest weight I've been in for like a couple years now, which I'm really happy with. But now I just want to kind of go a little bit further down just to get my fat percentage kind of as low as what it's probably ever been for myself. But tonight I will not be in a deficit because I might be getting KFC with Jarryd. But it's fine. Balance is key, and that is what I've learned in the past year, is that it's not about being strict all the time and being on your diet 100%. It's actually the complete opposite, and trying to find that balance so that it's longevity wise that you can sustain that. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have KFC. Alright, but it's time to work out now, so let's go. to Kumo to eat some pancakes. So excited. So me and Jarryd went to South Bank, and Kumo is actually closed today because it's a public holiday. I thought because it's a pop-up store and it will no longer be here after Sunday that they wouldn't take the public holiday off, but they did, so we're just gonna get zarafas instead, and I'm very sad about that, but it's okay. It's okay. Next time. We got our coffees. I got an iced mocha with whipped cream, and I forgot to get skim milk, so I'm having a fatty day today, but that's okay. It's fine. Oh, this song. It's dinner time. Look at what I got. KFC. Let's eat. Okay, so I'm going to eat my KFC now, and this will be the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching my first YouTube video. I'm so excited to create more of these for you, and hopefully the other ones will be a lot more exciting than this one. But thank you. Bye.